Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet this pretty lacy granny square. So from the tips, it is a 6x6 square, and I'm using cotton yarn here. This is Karen Cotton Cakes, and I'm using a USH 5mm, and then just grab a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so work a slip knot, and you want to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right into the first chain stitch, you want to work a slip stitch. So insert your hook right into that first chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through the loop on your hook. So you have now a ring to work your very first round. I prefer the magic ring method, but a lot of beginners like to work just a chain stitch. Okay, so I'm going to work the magic ring holding the tail. I'm going to wrap my working yarn over my fingers and on top, so over the tail, and then I'm going to insert my hook into that space to grab the working yarn. Now this is the tricky part for most. You want to make sure you have this basically open ring here, and then you're going to chain 3. If you work the chain stitches instead of the magic ring, you will just start here with a chain 3. So this counts as your first double crochet stitch, and this is the ring that you will work into. You can pull it to make it a little bit smaller if you like, just pull on the tail, and we're going to crochet right over the tail. So we're going to work 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then right into the ring we're going to work 2 double crochet stitches. So because of the chain stitch, it's going to get sort of floppy, so it helps if you place your finger on the loop that's on your crochet hook, yarn over, and then place your finger on the working yarn here. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so that's 1 double crochet. We're going to work another double crochet. Now we're going to chain 6. And we're going to work another set of 2 double crochets. And you're going to repeat that until you have 4 of these chain 6 loops. So 2 double crochet stitches, 1, and 2. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be my 3rd loop. 2 double crochets into the ring, 1 and 2. So this is going to be my last chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to tighten my ring by pulling on the tail. Okay, so this is round 1. We're going to start round 2 by closing round 1 with a single crochet into the 3rd chain from the beginning chain 3. So this was my chain 3. I'm going to insert my hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then I'm going to work my single crochet. You can place a stitch marker around the chain 3 just so that you know where your beginning of the round is. So round 2 starts with 1 single crochet right there, and then another single crochet in the next double crochet stitch. Okay, so that's 1 single crochet in each of the 2 double crochet stitches. Now in this chain 6 loop, we're going to work 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 treble crochets, 2 double crochets, and then 1 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 half double crochet. Now we're going to work 2 double crochet stitches. That's 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets. Now we're going to work 3 trebles. To work a treble, you're going to yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. That's 1 treble. I'm going to work 2 more treble crochets. Okay, now we're going back down the other side with 2 double crochets and 1 half double crochet. So there's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet. Now into the 2 double crochet stitches, 1 single crochet in each of the double crochet stitch. And then we're going to work the same thing we did here in every loop, and then 1 single crochet in every double crochet stitch. So 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 trebles, that's 2 and 3. Now I'm going to work 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and then 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet in each of the next double crochet stitches, and then repeat, ending with 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet. So I'm going to work 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet. Round 3, I'm going to work 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. And then I'm going to chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet stitch. Now you want to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then look for the 3 treble crochet stitches. Work 1 single crochet into the center of those 3 treble crochet stitches. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to work 1 double crochet right between these 2 single crochets. So you want to go into the post. So here's the first single crochet. Right in the post, you want to insert your hook and then pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So basically you just want to get to the center of those 2 single crochet stitches. So right now you have 1 single crochet here and 1 single crochet here. So you're going to repeat that all the way around. Chain 6, 1 single crochet in the center of the treble crochet stitches, 1 single crochet in the center of the 3 treble crochet stitches, chain 6, and then 1 double crochet into the post of this first single crochet, so that post is in between the 2 stitches. Chain 6, 1 single crochet into the center of the 3 treble crochet stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 6, another double crochet right into the post, chain 6, 1 double crochet into the center of the 3 trebles, chain 6, and then into the 3rd chain from this long chain here. Remember, we chained 3 and then we chained 6. So count 3 chains and work your slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Okay, round 4. So right into this chain 6 space, we're going to work 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so the corner here, where these treble stitches are, you want to work right into the single crochet that's on top. So into the single crochet stitch, we're going to work 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right at the base of this double crochet, you want to work a slip stitch, and then into the same single crochet stitch, you want to work 4 double crochet stitches. Okay, so now we have our corner here. Now we're going to work 6 single crochets into this chain 6 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to work this little picot here with a chain 6. Now we're going to slip stitch to the last single crochet there, so right at the base of the chain 6. Now we're going to repeat 6 single crochets in the chain 6 space. Then we're going to work this little corner here into the single crochet right here in the corner, 4 double crochets, chain 6, slip stitch to the double crochet stitch, and then another 4 double crochet stitch. So where you see a chain 6, work 6 single crochets into the chain 6 space. And then you want to work another one of these right here in the center. And then you're going to repeat that all the way to the end, working your last chain 6, and you want to slip stitch into the single crochet here. I love this square because it's so pretty and lacy. And it's really easy to remember. There's only 4 rounds, and each round is quite simple. So 4 double crochets here, chain 6, slip stitch to the top of the last double crochet, and then 4 more double crochets into the same stitch here, the single crochet. Six single crochets into the chain 6 space. My last chain 6, I'm going to slip stitch to the last single crochet that I worked in this chain 6 space. Now I'm going to slip stitch to the first single crochet, and we're done. Fasten off, yarn over, pull through. Now you just want to weave in your ends and block your square. And you do want to block it so that it looks a lot better. Here's one that I've blocked, and then there's that one. I'm going to leave a link for a DIY blocking board that I made specifically to block these. So check that out if you want to give it a try. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, and you will be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.